Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I am making some super quick Christmas tags using the Maker Forte stamp set called Gingerbread Hugs. It is super adorable. It's got several gingerbreads and a star and a tree and a little house. And so I already gone ahead and colored these up with some Copic markers and fussy cut these out. And then for my tags, I'm just using a die from my stash. This is actually kind of like a shaker die, but I'm not going to make shaker cards. But you definitely don't need a specific die to make tags. It could be just square cut tags, which I've done a lot of already this year as well. But I thought I'd go ahead and make some use out of this die that I have. And so I went ahead and cut all of my pieces out. And then I'm going to add a little bit of blue to each of the backgrounds. I wanted to keep this really simple and not change up a whole lot of elements on each of the tags to make them different. So all of the backgrounds, I am using the color Hive ink in Vegas Strip. And then for two of the tags, I am using the one of the sayings from the stamp set. It says gingerbread kisses, and I'm going to use that for the two of the little gingerbread people that are in this set. And so the next part is just basically assembly, and so I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid glue around the outside of each of the tags, and then adhere this to kind of that solid a base tag. And then I will be popping up each of the little images using a little bit of foam tape, and I'm going to follow that process for the each of the tags. And then I'm going to add a few gems, and so I'm using the crown jewels in Shooting Star. So I'll add several dots of glue around each of the tags, and then take my pick tool and add those gems. And then to finish the tags off, I am using just some different threads and ribbon that I had laying on my desk from previous projects. So each of these, I'm basically just tying the top and then kind of angling off each of the ends so it's not frayed. And then I'm going to take another piece of that same ribbon and tie it around. So basically there will be four kind of tails, I guess you could say. And that's going to finish off all of the tags. I will more than likely use a to and from stamp or just write to and from when I actually put these on packages. But these would be even quicker if you had some ephemera to use, or even just some different pattern papers. But really you can use probably just about anything. It's good for some of the bigger size scraps that you have just to use those up. But super fun, and this is a super adorable stamp set. Again, it's called Gingerbread Hugs. I'll go ahead and leave a link for it below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it or find it informative, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. As always, I thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope to see you next time.